Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to attach an email to an email in Gmail. So to start with, open up your Gmail account, and I've got a couple of different ways to show you. So if you know the email that you want to attach, you have it already. All you have to do is click on it and then click forward and then write in the email address you want to send this email to, and you can see it's attached. Another way to do this, if you want to write a completely new email and attach an email to it, you're going to click on compose and then find the email that you want to attach. So say it's this one, I'm going to select it. Then you can drag it across and it will be attached to the email. I hope that was helpful. Please drop any questions below the video and please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.